Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. It's been a while and I promised one, and I'll deliver. So with Fantom, it's pretty much an unchanged situation from the last video, to be honest. I mean, we're following here step by step my primary expectation. We said in the previous video that there is a case for the low being in at 20 cents, down here just below 20 cents. Of the cycle low, basically. At least there is a chance, and I would give it a 60% probability because we are currently following a bullish wave count. We can count here this as an impulse, as a wave 1. We can count this as a correction, as a very clear 3-wave move. That's a good sign. We can count this here furthermore to the upside as all of this basically as a leading diagonal here. This entire move we can count as a leading diagonal, and then down there in a wave 2 in white here, the correction. So it's currently working out. We said in the previous video, so this basically being that leading diagonal here, the wave 2 correction, we should now be ideally in a wave 3. That would be the most straightforward move. I mean, since the last video we have moved up. Since the low actually we've made 100% profit. So Fantom is starting to move. Of course there are cryptos that move a bit stronger, but to be honest, 100% is not too bad. And what would Fantom need to do to confirm this bullish scenario? Well, it would need to reach the 1.618 at least, the 1.618 relationship between wave 3 and wave 1, and that would take us to 56 cents. I think this is what Fantom now needs to do to confirm the continuation of this bullish scenario. You can currently see that Fantom is still in this sort of ascending wedge. I know a lot of people will say that's a bearish pattern, and of course it can break out to the downside. In this particular scenario, it should ideally break to the upside. I mean, we've seen a lot of cryptos that are doing exactly that. We've seen, for example, BNB break to the upside. There are other cryptos that did the same thing, that moved in very similar scenarios and patterns, and that also moved to the upside. So from that point of view, it's currently all looking good, all looking interesting, and Fantom is following the path. Now, after that wave 3 high here at then around 56, 57 cents, we should come down in a wave 4 correction, and afterwards we should move up in a wave 5, and that should then eventually complete an overall wave 1, a higher level wave 1 of a relevant degree. Let me just sketch that out here. We're looking here for something like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When this is done, then ideally we should see a correction in a 3-wave move in an ABC pattern or something a little bit more complex. That will then correct this entire move, this entire impulse. When that happens, that would be a good entry point that I will personally use. Not necessarily for Fantom, maybe in the end you can't have them all, but for some cryptos definitely where I see the wave 2, I will go in and purchase, because afterwards I would expect a wave 3 to the upside, which would take us way above, obviously here the depending on where we'll land in the end, maybe something like 60 cents should take us way above that. That is then the real rally that we all want to be part of, that wave 3. So and from that point of view, it's currently all going according to plan. We can take a look here on the daily chart here at the indicators as well. We can see that the MACD is here still sort of in the green. It is losing a bit of momentum, the MACD. The RSI though on the daily is still pushing higher. I don't see a bearish divergence or anything. We still have a bullish crossover here above the yellow line. Yes, the MACD is losing a bit of steam here, but it is also still pushing higher, and we currently do not see a bearish crossover happen. So at the moment it's still pushing higher. Next larger retracement I would currently expect after we reach the wave 3. But bear in mind, nothing is moving in a straight line, and therefore at the moment it is a bumpy ride, but as long as we move in the direction of the wave 3, it's all looking good. I mean, 100% profit since the low is not too bad, and I think it's gonna continue for a moment here. That would be my primary expectation, at least the 60% probability. Bear in mind, there is still a 40% probability that it's not going to work out and that this is only a corrective move up and will come down once more. But at the moment, more and more cryptos are following here the bullish wave count. Okay, and that's my update about Fantom. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.